What's up you guys? Magandang araw pong muli sa inyong lahat. It's me Vince once again from vinsSarap. I hope you have an amazing day. Today we're making this 2-ingredient mini glazed donut. I make this recipe of mini donut because they're comedy and they're fun. Yummy, delicious, soft, and tender, melt in your mouth. And if you guys are donut fun, this recipe is for you. Cooking is fun and let's right jump into it. Okay guys, to make this recipe, first we're going to make the 2-ingredient dough. And if you watch already my previous videos, now you know how versatile this recipe is. It's self-rising flour and yogurt, nothing else. That's it. If you don't have self-rising flour, I will give you some alternatives as we go along. We're going to sieve the flour to make sure it will not leave any lumps. If you are new to my channel, hello to you, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell if you haven't done yet for more upcoming and easy delicious recipe. I post new video every week. Follow me on my Facebook page and follow me on my Instagram. I love seeing your recreation, guys. We're going to combine together these 2 ingredients using a spoon or a spatula or your clean hand and transfer this mixture into your work surface. Alright, we're going to mix the dough for a minute or two. This is to make sure that these 2 ingredients are well combined together into uniform. I'll be honest to you guys, it's a bit annoying because it's sticky. Well, if that's happened, flour your board, flour your hand. You can use a bench scraper to make your life easier. We're going to wrap this dough with some plastic wrap, grease with some oil, and we're going to rest the dough. The reason why we're doing this because we need to make sure that all flour is properly hydrated. The extra resting time is needed. Otherwise, if you don't do this, the donuts will come out crispy instead of soft and fluffy. If that has happened, don't be alarmed, don't be despair. Toss them in some sugar or cinnamon sugar. Forget the mini donut and say hello to your yummy, crunchy churro donuts. Set this into the side and let it rest from anywhere between 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, half an hour later, we're going to roll out the dough. Make sure to flour your board well so it will not stick. Flour the top of the dough as well. Roll this out to about 1/4 of an inch thickness. The dough will rise in the oil, obviously, once we fry it. So make sure that the dough, isn't too thick. If you have a mini donut cutter, if you have a cookie cutter, cut them out. Here, I'm using my small ramekins and a bottle cup for a middle hole. This is what I have, so this is what I'm working with. We need to be resourceful. You can use a glass or a cup, improvise anything that is perfectly fine to you. Alright, for the extra dough, what you can do is to roll it again, reshape it, roll it out again, then continue making your mini donut. We're going to put this on a spatula or a strainer spoon or skimmers. Then we're going to fry these babies. The oil needs to be on medium heat and you don't want it to be too much hot or too much slow. Because we want to fry this into a golden brown, you don't really want a brown color. Remember, we're making donut, not fried chicken. Place the spoon in the oil, hold it there, and you'll see within a seconds the donuts will start to bubble and it starts to float to the top.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. don't you love me? Touch me no more. Why don't you love me? Touch me no more.
Now we're making a glaze. This is a very simple to make. It's just a melted butter, powdered sugar, and a little bit of milk. That's it. You can adjust the amount of milk depending on how thin or how thick you want for your glaze. Give it a good mix, and then we're going to coat our donut entirely with this glaze.
Starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me? Touch me no more. Why don't you love me? Touch me no more. Love me. Touch me. Love me.
Is it, you guys? We're done. Not only are these exciting and fun to make, but they're incredibly amazing. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be delicious. There's something so satisfying about putting a handful of mini donuts in your mouth all at once. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and try this 2 ingredient mini donut recipe. It's just an amazing, delicious experience. Until then, God bless everyone, keep safe, and see you on my next video.